Tired of being the designated photographer and always missing out on the fun? I'm going to show you how to easily enable the camera timer on your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro so you can jump in the picture and capture perfect shots every single time. First, locate the camera app icon on your home screen. It's the one that looks like a little camera lens, and tap to open it. Now that you're in the camera app, look for the small arrow at the very top center of your screen. Tap that arrow. This will reveal a hidden menu at the bottom of your screen. You should see several icons, including one that looks like a clock. That's the timer icon. Give it a tap. You'll now have two options for the timer delay: 3 seconds or 10 seconds. The 3-second option is great for quick adjustments or stabilizing your shot. The 10-second option gives you plenty of time to get into position for group photos. Choose the delay that suits your needs. Once you've selected your timer, position your iPhone where you want it. If you're taking a group photo, prop it up against something sturdy or use a tripod for the best results. Tap the shutter button. You'll see a countdown on the screen, giving you time to get into place. Once the timer reaches 0, the photo will automatically be taken. The photo will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen as a thumbnail, where you can tap and preview it. To turn the timer off, simply tap the timer icon again and select off, and that's it. Now you're ready to capture stunning photos with ease and never be left out of the picture again.